Dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Our contact number is 9836793076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 9836793076. If you have any other query or any other doubts, please feel free to contact us, or you can call on this number or WhatsApp on this number, and you can drop an email to our email id, which is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. Okay, so then you can join our one-on-one sessions, our online classes, and our regular batches, so that will be beneficial for your upcoming examinations. Okay, like ISI, CMI, etc. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Thank you guys. So now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the PUMDET and in the year of 2024, and the question is telling us that the function fx is equals to x when x is rational, and 1 by x square when our x is irrational, is continuous. There are four options here, which is nowhere, at least exactly at exactly 2 points, at exactly 1 point, and at infinitely many points. Okay, so this is a very easy question, I think. Yeah, so what can be done here? So what is the condition of continuity? We know that if function fx is continuous at x equals to c, when if our limit x tends to c, f of x is equals to fc. We know that. So now we are going to test for our 0. Okay. So let us take x is equals to 0. Then what will happen? So if our x is rational, then our fx is equals to x, and for our irrational, so fx then will be 1 by x square. So let me write with another color. Yeah. So limit x tends to 0 when our x are rationals, then what will happen? Then that of fx is equals to my limit, that will be x tends to 0 of x is equals to my 0. We know that. So now when our limit x tends to 0 and our x is not belongs to q, then of fx will be a limit x tends to 0, that will be 1 by x square, and we know that that is what? That will go to infinity. That will go to infinity. We know that. So since these two limits do not match, our fx is not continuous at 0. So now we are going to think for our non-zero cases. So let us take, we are thinking everything in a point, that sorry, at a point x equals to c. Then what will happen? So now, and our c is not equals to 0. So at that case, we can write that our limit x tends to c, where our x is not a rational, sorry, where our x is a rational number, so we of fx will be limit x tends to c, that of x will be equals to c. We know that. So now limit x tends to c, and our for x not equals to, and x is not a rational number, in this case what will happen now? So of fx, it will be my limit x tends to c, that will be 1 by x square, so that is will be equals to 1 by c square. So my c equals to c square will happen what? Then we can write that our c cube is equals to 1, and this will get us 3 roots, 1 omega and omega square. As we are not in our complex plane, so our omega and omega square are there are no need to bother about that. So our c will be 1. So only at a point our function is continuous. So we can write that exactly 1 point our function will be continuous and the point is 1. Okay, so now again I am telling that if you need any help from us or if you have any queries, please feel free to contact us. Then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Okay, thank you guys, hope you understood. Thank you.